Hey everyone, meteorologist Ryan Knapp here. Happy Wednesday. We're still focusing on the severe weather outlook for today. And if you notice, there has been some changes compared to what we saw yesterday morning, where really the enhanced outlook was from about the southwest up to the northeast. At the newest outlook yesterday at around 12:30, they moved it further south, and our entire viewing region was still in the enhanced outlook. Now, this morning, with the newest update as well, we can see that portions of Steele, Freeborn, Olmsted, and Dodge County are now in the slight risk. Now, that doesn't mean that you're in the all clear. There is still that risk for severe weather there as well, with some stronger winds, some potential for heavy rainfall, and the chance for an isolated tornado or two is possible, still in that slight risk. So by no means, for those portions of the counties, are you in the clear by any means. We're still seeing the enhanced risk for southeastern, deep southeastern Minnesota counties, as well as North Iowa is completely still in the enhanced risk for later on today. Sky Tracker 3 will take us hour by hour. We're seeing temperatures this morning in the mid to even upper 60s in some locations, so there's a lot of moisture available in the atmosphere. We'll get started really between 10 and 11 a.m. as that first line of storms and showers start to push on through into our western viewing area, into about Albert Lee, Mason City, and Austin. That'll push completely through the entire viewing area by about 3 p.m. Could see some lingering showers behind it, but there's also the potential for some clearing between about 3 and 5 before the secondary showers around 6 p.m. start to fire up and then push on through later till about 8 and 9 o'clock. So we do have that second potential for severe threat later on this evening. It should be more isolated, I think, towards North Iowa and deep southeastern Minnesota, but by any means are we really in the clear later on today. If there is a lot of clearing, there is a potential for that severe risk to increase as well for the later storms. But if there isn't, and really we see a lot of cloud coverage and temperatures stay relatively cool, this could shut down some of the severe potential for later on tonight. So that's something to keep in mind before we clear out for Thursday morning. So what's the severe threat for today? Well, we still have that increased tornado risk. We also see the elevated hail risk, as well as hail up to about an inch. And then we are seeing the biggest threat really for today, and that is the wind threat, which is now enhanced, where you could see some straight line winds and 55 mile per hour plus in the gusts or sustained winds as well. So that's a big focus for today, is the wind threat as well. So what's the severe, or what's really the Wednesday weather story here? Well, we have the severe weather threat later today. We have the clearing chance in the afternoon. That will really determine how those thunderstorms develop later on this evening. So the T-storms are still forecasted to occur later on into tonight. 7-day forecast for the weekend's always in view. We'll get through the severe weather today. We'll clear on off hopefully by about morning tomorrow before seeing sunshine return for next weekend.